This is how to send bulk emails to your email lead. First of all, open the sender, go to SMTP, click on new account, then input your SMTP details like account name, from email, reply to. So this reply to can be changed to any email. If you want any email to appear reply to, you can change it. Then from name, input it from name, then SMTP host, SMTP port, then the username and password. So once everything is correct, click on OK. You can see our SMTP is added. So the next step is to create our email template. To do that, go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to create a spam-free email. This is very important in case you want to send emails to your lead. And again, you can have your email that you want to send, then tell ChatGPT to make it spam-free. So let ChatGPT write us a spam-free email to our customer, telling them to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So we're using this for example though. You can see ChatGPT just write out a spam-free email. So all we have to do is copy it and go to our new template. So paste the text. So you can start to edit it and add some words. So let's just write hello. So they just delete that. Then delete this. Then click on save. You can see we now have our email template. So the next step is to begin to blast our emails. So the next step is begin to blast our email. To do that, click on start. Select the SMTP we just added and the email template. Then go to your lead. You can upload your lead. Then click on OK. Okay, you can see we are sending. Okay, you can see the email is sending. Result okay, result okay. So our email is sending. As you can see, we have sent over 100 emails have been sent. So let's just wait. So while sending, we input our Gmail in the email that we are blasting to. So we are going to check if it delivered to our inbox. So you can see sent to over 600 emails. So let's check our inbox. Voila, you can see it came through inbox. So let's open the message. You can see this is our email we blasted. So it arrived in our Gmail. So if you need this sender and SMTP, just hit me up with the link below. So you can see we are still sending. So we are sent to over 600 emails. So like, share, and subscribe. And I will leave a link below where you can get SMTP and sender. Thank you.